Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Al-Husnayain. In this occasion, I will review a school website that I've made. So, this is my own school. It's called Al-Husnayain. So, if you want to register, all you have to do is just click this button, and then answer the question like your full name, your birth date, and others. But this is not the real Al-Husnayain website because my school already already have their own website. So this is their real website, and this website is made by myself. Okay, so now let's go to so this is the one of the best lesson that we'll get in Al-Husnayain. Mathematics, English, math. There are many more lessons that you can get in Al-Husnayain. And this is the extracurricular in Husnayain. Uh, Football, basket, archery, but there's actually many more in extracurricular in Al Husnain. So this is the total of students in Al Husnain. And this is social media. So you can uh, see Al Husnain YouTube channel by pressing this button. And this is one of the teacher in Al Husnain. But actually there are many more teachers online, but I haven't put all of them. And this is a testimonial from parents. Yeah, so this is the location of Al Husnain, and this is the email and phone number to register. So in profile there are the history of school mission. Now let's take the history first. Yeah, so this is the history of Husnain. And this is the mission of Husnain. Now let's go check the academic. So this is the calendar, but it's not the real. It's not from Al-Husnayain. I took it from Google because I didn't find Al-Husnayain calendar. Now let's check out the achievement. There's some achievement, and this is the news. There's events in Husnayain such as Sudah Quran, Quran Camp, and many more. And this is the information like discount, total of student and teacher, and many more. Now let's go to the next one. So this is the information of new student, registration of new student. Okay, now let's go to the last one. You can contact us from this phone number, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So if you want to register, so Al-Husnayain, you can open the real Al-Husnayain website. Well, maybe that's all from me. If there's some mistake, please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.